Now, what did the Wren prove? Well, the Wren actually proved how far you could fly on 1 gallon of petrol. That's about 4 and a bit litres. And the answer is 87 and a half miles. That's it. Just to put this display in perspective, when Peter Hill was extremely well. Very light winds, which help as well.
We didn't see the Lynn Trials aircraft out during the displays last year. Occasionally aircraft rested here for a season, and the opportunity has been taken to undertake some engine work on the ABC power plant of the Wren, and this is the result.
Yes, years ago we tried to bungee launch the aircraft, and the pilot turned to the chief engineer, having heard that he needed to adjust the mixture properly, and asked what indicator there was that the mixture was correct. And the answer came back, "You will not get any more black smoke out of the engine." I've had a complaint, ladies and gentlemen, from one of the engineers. They've waited so long. Well, there we go.